All right.
Beer.
Beer! Okay, so I love beer. Can you tell? It's Dad's fault. And I can't think of a better spot to learn all about what's hot in craft beer than Cadet Wine and Beer in Napa, California.
So these are our pals over at Off Color Brewing. This is play into sour, but what's kind of cool is this sour is fermented with Chardonnay grapes.
Ooh.
So it's really like tart and crisp. This is Wild Minds. This is their banana, strawberry, rhubarb sour.
Sounds like a vacation.
Totally.
What do you think that's all about?
Atmosphere of chaos. So it's just so clever, but
Very on the nose right now.
yes.
Atmosphere of chaos. All right,
Cheers.
cheers, ladies. Oh, stop it.
Right? That's a beer.
This is one of our most popular beers, and Aubrey and I were laughing
Can't
about
keep it on the shelves.
Yeah, Aubrey and I were laughing about this the other day.
Yeah.
The more ingredients and the wackier the sour, the more people want it. So it could have 7 different things in it. Be like, I want that.
It's
People love
so crazy.
Literally
Oh my God, I
can't
taste
keep it
that
on the
again.
shelf.
Whereas this
wild.
off color is gonna be a lot more of that traditional sour, really, really citrus, almost makes your mouth water a little bit.
And again,
Insane. I
It's
love
like a
it.
Jolly
It's so fun. It tastes like a Jolly Rancher.
yeah, totally.
You have to taste this.
And then this is a favorite of ours. Aubrey and I are big Pilsner gals. This is Upland Brewing Champagne Velvet. And then we have Deer Giant, which is an IPA from Oregon. Strata Salad Hazy IPA from our good friends Armistice, what are over in Richmond. G's Ginger Beer, because it's one of our favorites. I call this my health drink. Like it's like, it tastes like a health drink.
So Donna Katz, who started this, she always had kind of like tinctures as a hobby. So this kind of all came about because of that. So it's got it's got like 116 calories, but it's got like no sugar in it, and it's got a ton of ginger, so it's actually really good for your stomach.
Well, cheers to our health, ladies.
Health as well.
Oh, that's amazing.
Right?
It's not near as gingery as I thought it was going to be. It's just like a nice hint of ginger.
Yeah, but the cool thing about the beer world right now is that there are so many craft breweries all over the United States, all over the world. So whatever region you're living in, you can find your own little versions of Armistice or Off Color or whatever. They're in your neighborhood, absolutely. You just gotta go find them.